Welcome to class again. Today we are going to learn what I did yesterday. Negative sentences. Negative sentences we are going to learn today. Okay. So how to say negative sentence in yesterday form? How to say? Let me tell you a structure to you. Okay. Here having some of the difference by positive and negative of yesterday sentence. What is the difference? Let me explain you first the sequence. Time word is having as it is as a positive sentence. Subjects also having same. And after subject you are saying didn't here. Didn't. Didn't. Didn't we are pronouncing it. You should not pronounce it as did not. Don't pronounce like this. You may pronounce it as didn't. Okay, then after we are using V1 form here. I told you to use V2 form in positive sentences, right? Now I am saying you to use V1 form here. We are using V1 form while we are using didn't. Okay, and object having after that verb 1. Have you understood? Same time was yesterday, last morning, last evening, last night, last week, last month, last year, last Sunday, last June. I told you already these are only example time words. Okay. So we prepare all these time words and arrange your own time words by your own. Okay. Right. So after time word we have to arrange any one of the subject. I arranged here some of the sentences with this sequence. Okay. Yesterday is a time word. I is a subject. Then I used didn't. Attend is V1. You know that. To class is object. So, yesterday I didn't attend to class. How we are saying in positive? Yesterday I attended to class we are saying. But here we are using V1 form. That is the difference. Don't get confused. Okay. Whenever you are having did or didn't in your sentence, you may use V1 form only there. Okay. Next. Last night is a time word. You is a subject. Didn't I used here? Drink is V1. Milk is object. Last night you didn't drink milk. How to say positive? Last night you drank milk. Drink, drank, drunk. So, last night you drank milk. We are saying in positive sentence. But here we are using V1. Okay. Next. Last week she didn't water to plants. Didn't water. Didn't water. What is the of water? Watered. Watered to plants. Okay. So, like this, you need to arrange sentences of negative of yesterday sequence. Okay. So, how to practice these sentences? Let me give you some of the instructions to practice. Already you wrote positive sentences with yesterday, right? In yesterday form, you wrote already positive sentences. So all those sentences you had to change into negative form. Then both sentences you had to practice at a time. Okay, first you had to pronounce positive sentence, then you had to pronounce negative sentence. Then you will get an idea what to say, means which verb form should we use in positive and which verb form should we use in negative. You are having clear clarification there only. Okay, assemble sentences and pronounce both sentences together. Okay, right. And one more thing, while you are writing your sentences, you have to underline the verb forms like this. Underline verb forms in positive and negative. Okay, then it is easy to speak. Then it is easy to remember. Okay, If you want more instructions, you have to say like this. Suppose, yesterday I attended to class. I plus attended. So, subject plus V2, you have to underline in positive sentence. And I didn't attend. Subject didn't. V1, you have to underline in negative sequence. Then pronouns both together. I attended. I didn't attend. You drank. You didn't drink. She watered. She didn't water. Like that, you have to pronounce both sentences together. Okay, that's it for today's our class. You have to do practice and come to next class.